serious. Are you sure? Yeah, I think I'm certain. Let's talk about on number 5. Those who have been on my channel for a long time know what I've said. There is no number 5. Number 5 is not coming. It's a lie. It's a scheme that Todd set up for the BS. Guys, if you don't know what we are talking about when we say it's Todd's scheme, okay, it's our thing on this channel, but just go on the internet and search Todd's scheme. Just say that it's a scheme, or say it's a scheme that Todd set up. And then we should see Real Housewives of Atlanta. You will see the legendary scene from Real Housewives of Atlanta. Then when we are talking here and saying it's a scheme that Todd set up, you'll be clued up. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Today we are going to talk about number 5, because I have been saying to you guys that I don't believe that there is a number 5. Number 5 is not coming. It's a scheme that Musamselegu set up for the BS, and I was done with it. I was like, the only way that I am going to believe that there is a number 5 is if there is a yellow house. Okay, if I see another yellow house built, eMzumbe, then I will believe that there is a number 5. But guys, it turns out that there is a number 5. There is a number 5. Kushiwo njalo guys, kuthiwa there is a number 5. Thina ke esama bloggers sike sathi uyabona kancane sathi. Yabo sathi nje kancane. But we love the show so much. We love the show so much that we do want them to get as much money as possible from the reveal of number 5. So what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for the show, okay? Because when the Mseleko family eats, we also do eat as the bloggers, okay? So the blogger committee met, and the discussion was, listen guys, okay, let's just do them a favor, okay? Let's wait for them to reveal the number 5. So we will let them do it. But guys, it turns out that there are big possibilities that number 5 will come. Remember that scene, you guys, that they shot as like the last scene of season 7, and there's the lady that came with the green dress, and I was like, I really just didn't believe. I was over the whole thing at number 5, because I was like, since season 3 we're talking about number 5. Number 5 is still not here. She's not coming. So yes, you guys, apparently in season 8 the biggest story for the season is going to be number 5, because apparently number 5 was okay. And yeah, the internet knows who she is, but the internet is going to wait for Uthando Nesthembu to reveal who she is. Now, here's the thing, you guys. In my opinion, okay, from what I've learned, especially from the interview with Musantsebeshe, is that the Mseleko family is the family that has realized that TV can do amazing things for them. Okay, and they will betray and step on people's feet or whatever they need to do. You know, they will use some people in order to get where they want to get as far as TV is concerned. Okay, so now with this number 5 coming, or the number 5 that has come that we haven't seen, my thing is number 5 is a ratings wife. Why I say is a ratings wife, because if you really watch season 7, you guys, they didn't have a direction. Even them coming up with the number 5 story at the end of the season, it was like they're trying to scramble now, okay? Because it just, the whole season was just not making sense. So for the ratings, I kind of feel like Mseleko felt like he needed to take number 5, okay? I felt like he felt he did not have a choice at this point. He just needs to take number 5. So I hope that number 5, yes, they might be in love and all of that. I don't know. But I do know, as far as the show is concerned, if number 5 comes, she is the ratings wife. Now, if she is a ratings wife, you guys, I hope she is ready, okay? Because she is the one that is likely to restore the show. She's the one that is likely to be spoken about more, okay? So if she has the social media, okay, which I'm getting in what I would advise her to do is go to her social media and clean it up, okay? Clean it up, okay? Look at your own social media as if you are your own troll, okay? Because, just look at your own. So number 5, okay? I know number 5 might not see this video, but if you know number 5, please share this video with number 5. Number 5, go on your social media and look at your social media like you are your own troll, okay? Because we are about to get into your business, okay? If you have an ex-boyfriend that you never broke up with, we are going to find him, okay? If you owe Dumashoni some money and you paid interest but it wasn't enough, we are going to find you. If you once played Stockfella with some women and you took the money and it was time for you to pay and you disappeared, we're about to find you. If you were telling people that you have matric but you don't have it, we are about to find out, okay? If you have a course that you did and you failed and you were excluded from it, we are about to find. If you thought your surname was this one, but it ended up being this one, we are about to do the internet DNA for you. So I hope that I hope that this woman is ready, because not only is it just going to be a thing of the show has been boring for the last 2 seasons, so if number 5 comes, she's going to be this interesting storyline, but there is also the whole thing of the fans, okay? The wives have loyal fans, okay? And they will come for you, sis, okay? Are you beautiful enough? Omega, your makeup, your dress code, the car you drive, everything. They are going to call you the gold digger, okay? We know there's no gold there by Mseleko, but they're going to call you the gold digger. I hope that she is ready. We will find out where she works, if she has kids. Apparently, she does have a child. Msele the walking contradiction. Yes, guys, number 5. Can you imagine? Guys, we are about to, if you didn't know who your baby daddy is, okay, we are about to find him for you, okay? If he ever paid extra maintenance 1 month, we are going to find it. This month, more. If he doesn't pay maintenance, we are going to find him. If you don't even know what happened to him, we are about to find your baby daddy, okay? So be ready. I hope number 5 already, okay? I looked at her and I was like, she has no idea, okay? She has no idea what is about to happen to her life, because we are about to turn her life upside down. But like I said, you guys, I do believe with all of my heart that Umselegu did the number 5 thing purely for ratings. Now, if we go back to the story of Umselegu wanting to number 5, it's been years of him saying he wants to take number 5. I've always kind of moved between believing he wants to take number 5 and really just feeling like it's just a storyline at this point. Because Mangabe had always made it clear she would leave, Mayeni made it clear she would leave. I never believed that Mayeni would leave. With Umangwabe, there were moments where I felt like this one is done. She might just, maybe exit if this happens. But the thing for me that made it final to be like, this man is not going to take number 5. Remember that they had always said that with MaKhwela, they had agreed that after they reached their 20th anniversary, there was never going to be any talks about taking number 5. And if there is, MaKhwela was not going to be involved in any of it. After the 20th anniversary, Umselegu was supposed to take as many wives as he wants up until their 20th anniversary. Okay? okay? When it reached, when the 20th anniversary came, Mselegu said it himself from his mouth. You know, he said, I'm done now. I had all the chances that I had. I'm done with the number 5 because this is the agreement that we had. But we also do know that with the agreements that they had made with MaKhwela, he had not met, or he had not fulfilled all of his promises. Remember, there's the white wedding, white dress kind of a situation that he was supposed to do for MaKhwela that he didn't do. So as much as he had said with his mouth that he's keeping that promise of not taking a wife after the 20th anniversary, but he had broken some promises, okay? Now, of course, I can't put it past eMzumbe that he's going to break more promises just for the ratings. Okay, MaKhwela might decide that, you know what, I'm not attending any members or any weddings, any whatever, especially because she didn't even do it for uMaKhwela, because there was a thing after the 20th anniversary, I'm not attending any of it. But Mseleko might still do the number 5 because of the ratings, because what is the more important thing to Mseleko is the money, and the ratings equals money. So this is why I believe that the rumor that number 5 is already there, and because of certain things that I've seen, you know, I believe that she's coming. But I do believe that she's coming mainly for the ratings, okay? But I hope that that poor woman is ready for what is about to happen in her life, okay? But as we wait for season 8, you guys, we will wait patiently, okay? I'm willing to wait patiently. I'm willing for them to do the big reveal of who this woman is, and I'm willing to act surprised myself and be like, it's this woman, let's go check out her social media, and kind of a situation. But you guys, I hope that they have psychologically prepared her, because I think there's also going to be that comparison thing. People that like MaKhwela and people that like uMayeni, that people that like uMaNgwabi, people that like uMaKhumalo. Oh, we're not beautiful. You know, that kind of a situation. If we look at Uthando Nesthembu right now, what's happening on social media, eMzumbe has been posting uMayeni a lot. I kind of feel like this is around Mayeni's birthday. I don't know if I'm mistaken, but I think this is around Mayeni's birthday. Okay, maybe that's a reason, maybe they, you know, but it's like they had an outing as a family, like Mayeni, eMzumbe and their last born, and they were, you know, like weekend away kind of a thing. It looked that way. And he has been posting, since that outing, he has been posting uMayeni. And then we've also seen Gwabe at the graduation thing, you know, they were giving each other googly eyes, you know, so they're still okay with each other. So obviously Gwabe hasn't left, okay? And then uMaKhwela is there on the internet wearing short dresses and showing a cleavage, because, you know, uMaKhwela is making money and is actually realizing there's more to life than, you know, Baba, what do you need? Okay, Baba, here is your food, you know. She's realizing it, but she won't tell us, of course, because she always has to maintain that thing of the best thing that has ever happened in my life is eMzumbe. But you know, when you make money, money shows you a bit of life, and you're like, hey, I could have done, you know, better for myself. Yeah. So she looks like MaKhwela's Instagram looks like a person that is just discovering her whole self. Okay, so maybe she doesn't even mind with the number 5 being there, because she can just go on with the discovery. And you know, when you discover yourself, okay, you also just discover other things. And when you have a man that has 5 other wives, 4 other wives, there is a chance to be discovering discoveries. You understand what I'm saying? And then there is MaKhwela. MaKhwela has always kind of maintained privacy when it comes to social media. If there's anything really posted about MaKhwela, it's usually posted by the other wives or posted by eMzumbe. So when eMzumbe is not posting MaKhwela, we actually don't really know what's happening with MaKhwela. When we see MaKhwela on social media, it's because eMzumbe has posted her. And eMzumbe hasn't really posted MaKhwela that much, okay? We know that she's not going to leave, because MaKhwela is one wife that has never ever spoken about leaving, just like uMaKhwela has never ever spoken about leaving. The only two wives that have spoken about leaving is Umayeni Nomangwabe, and those are the wives that we've recently seen that they are, very happy with Umseliku, so they haven't left. And we're assuming MaKhwela is still there because she's never really spoken about leaving. She's spoken about being unhappy about certain promises not being kept in her marriage, but she hasn't spoken about, leaving. So I think everybody, is still Kamseleko. Now, I do feel like the wives have now all got to a point where they do understand that there are certain things that they have to do just to maintain the ratings on the show. So maybe even them, the ones that had wanted to leave, they understand that, listen, we do need this one, just like I do feel like Uma Khumalo, others understand that we do need this one, like finances and stuff, because I do feel like Uma Khumalo is a financial force for the Mseleku family, because I think she makes a lot of money for the family. Because remember, Pila, she did tell us that Mseleku sometimes would ask her for money to take care of the other wives. So I think the other wives understand. Not only does she works a lot, makes a lot of money, doesn't have kids. So when you have kids, all the money goes to the kids. Okay, but also she is the one that is more involved in the show. So they do know finance that. You understand what I'm saying. So I think even this one, they might just understand that what. Umseliku already has girlfriends, even though we've never heard of a single girlfriend. Umseliku. Isn't it funny that he always says that he has many girlfriends, but we've never heard of one? With the internet, guys, with the internet, we've never heard. I'm just saying. So it might be a thing of the others totally understand that for the ratings, we kind of need her. And if she's already a girlfriend, maybe we should just be okay with her coming in as number 5. Anyway, you guys, we look forward to the season. I think that if number 5 comes, then I'm looking forward to the season, because I do feel like they had run out of things to say, and I was tired of this number 5 story, because I was feeling like there is no number 5 coming. Okay, I do feel like Mseliku was like, listen, we need to save the show, and the one way that we can save the show is to take number 5. And if the internet is correct, number 5 is already Kamsaleko ukhona around. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about this, you guys. Do you think that this is a scheme that Todd set up? Pella, Todd schemes never run out, okay? Do you think this is a scheme that Todd set up, or do you think that they are onto something for season 8? By the way, you guys, people are saying season 8 might be coming in January, but we usually get season 8 towards the end of October. But there is a show coming on Mzansi Magic about the blessers or whatever that is coming on the slot that the Uthando Nesthembu is supposed to come. So I guess we'll get Uthando Nesthembu later on. They haven't announced. We'll see. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please like it before MaKhwela. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Again, Thanda.